And this is your daily dose of internet. Here's a really creepy bird that sounds exactly like a crying baby.
Hey, this is Nico having a temper tantrum, getting ready for a show, and now she just said, "Why are you crying?" Nico, are you done? And this is what I go through every day, and people think I have a crying baby up here. I will show you. It's really just Nico. Nico. You are such a baby. Yes, you are. Now people are coming in because you were crying.
I have a question for you guys. Who did this? Who did this?
This man pranked his wife by putting an egg in her mouth while she was asleep.
Полезно яички сырые кушать.
Ты что, больной вообще?
This person grabbed their dog and brought it over to another dog while waiting at a stoplight. This cat is giving this dog a really nice massage. You can own a personal and customizable self-sustaining ecosystem. Here's a cat that has a very flat head. This person made a mechanical wooden whale. That's the end of this video. Hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful life, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.